Oh, here comes another. Oh my gosh. Cusco, is that you? Emperor Cusco. Okay folks, today is the long-awaited day. We've actually been here in Aguascalientes, beautiful Aguascalientes, for a few days. We finally got our tickets to Machu Picchu, but that's backed us up because there's been mistakes, there's been some drama. But we're here today. It's Saturday, December 29th, Summit Day, baby. It's happening. We're just in this really long line. We're at the front of the line. Next bus is our bus.
We're going in, and they're like super nice buses. We don't even need to stand up or anything. Look at them. They're like
comfy seats.
Comfy seats.
35 minutes.
This is gonna be so much better than traveling.
Jen, you excited for this?
I'm so excited.
You didn't get to do Machu Picchu on your race, right?
No, I didn't.
You didn't come to Peru?
No.
So first time?
Yes.
You stoked?
Yes.
Heck yeah.
So
Here we
excited.
go. Machu Picchu.
Yeah.
Fun fact about Machu Picchu that you might be helpful is you can only go in once, so you can't come back out and go in again. So if you need to use the bathroom, use it before, because it really sucked to have to go, come out, and then your day's over. So, fun fact. Hope that helps. I'm so stoked to freaking be here. It's taken so long. We're finally at Machu Picchu. All the frustration, all the drama, all the bumpy car rides. It's worth it. It's nice to be on this backside where there's not as many people. I'm not sure where this path leads, but I'm hoping it leads to a good view. You know me, I'm always chasing views. Okay, so my time here at this beautiful place is almost over, and it's been crazy just getting here, I don't know, from the jungle to Machu Picchu, making it happen, spending more money than we would have liked, and I don't know, going through a lot more interruptions than I would have liked. But once you're here, it doesn't really matter, the pain, the annoying things, the money, it's like, it's worth it. And it's so incredible to be enjoying it in person after seeing so many pictures of it. It's like one of my bucket list places, 100%. And I personally learned a lot through this trip. I learned that I can't please everyone, that I'm a people pleaser, and deep down I enjoy like making people happy. I avoid confrontation, and I feel like I failed if people don't like me. And I gotta stop that. Life's not about pleasing people. It's not about getting everybody to like you. Not everybody's gonna like you. So it's about being yourself, being authentic to who you are, doing your best, doing what you can, and owning the mistakes you make, but being confident in who you are, in the leadership that God has given you, or the leader that God's made you to be, to walk in that, and to get that affirmation from the Lord, not from people. I became addicted to the affirmation from people, but I'm learning to like untether from that and rely on the Lord and rest in the Lord, who He says I am. And so I encourage you guys to do it too, for my fellow people pleasers out there. If yeah, people pleasing's tough and you're trying to do everything to make somebody else happy and make a nice trip for some friends and it doesn't happen, don't beat yourself up for it. Own the mistakes in that, but remember that your affirmation comes from the Lord, not from people. So from me to you, from Machu Picchu to you, that was bad. So I finally found these guys because we traveled here together but then got separated. Guys, what did you think of Machu Picchu? Kaylin?
I was so excited, I'm so happy!
You wanted to go here for how long?
7 years.
7 years. Was it worth it?
It was! Yes, every minute of it.
Nice. Jen.
Yes.
Was it worth it?
It was so good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I loved
What was
it.
your favorite part?
Sitting, there was a rainbow, and that was really
Whoa,
cool. Yeah.
I missed it.
Yeah, it was sweet.
Did you get a picture of it?
Yes, I'll show you later.
Nice. Jess,
Yes.
with your awesome poncho.
Yes. Machu Picchu?
Yes.
Well, okay, so if I could sum it up like this. There was one moment where I was sitting down and I was praying and then I fell asleep. And then I woke up and I was like, whoa!
That's hilarious.
No, it was beautiful. I was like amazed all over again. Like anytime I closed my eyes, it like opened up again.
Dan, what do you think, brother?
I think it was incredible. I got really tired of staring at rocks though, I'm not gonna lie. Like the importance of it is incredible. It's a beautiful place, but I think it was just a little long-winded, you know? I think I took a break at the right time and like came back, talked to a few people, and me and Oscar got good, just good genuine bro time, so it was fun.
Dude, I think you would have enjoyed the hike that I did, because it was like, you got to get some energy out, got a cool view at the top. I wish you were there.
Sick, did that go to the top of the mountain?
I went up pretty far. It was pretty good. I mean, you guys saw it. I wish that I could have got these guys in it more, in the vlog more, actually in the park, but glad that they didn't leave me. Glad we had a day in Machu Picchu. From here, we're headed to Cusco.
Aguas.
And then Cusco, well, Aguas, then Cusco, then Bolivia. Bolivia's month 4 of the world race. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't liked this video, go ahead and like it, just do it. If you've not hit the notification bell, you're gonna want to, because we got awesome videos headed your way. Until next time, peace!